This is my son Sam. He's on the Carrera Vengeance with standard gearing. He's going to take it up that hill, so I'm going to venture up and we're going to see how much of a struggle he has getting up here, and then next week we're going to do a comparison video of him. So there's the hill. Okay, ready Samuel? Okay, so it was a struggle and he's down. There will be a follow-up video to that in a few days time, so it's booked in on Tuesday, we're now on the Sunday. I'm going to take a couple of days to have the gears done, and then we'll come back to this point and do another video. I mean, Sam's just kind of up there getting ready to come back down, but yeah, I mean, he does struggle, my other half struggles, so I'm really hoping that the gearing will make it a lot easier to climb stuff like that, because it's not a steep hill. My bike can do it pretty easily. Obviously there's a price difference, so I'll keep you posted.